So, welcome back to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. I think now this term is very clear that yes, Vedic mathematics makes your mathematics magical. Am I audible? Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Even the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Very good. So again, welcome back. And again, I would request you, all of you, to congratulate yourself, pat yourself, applaud yourself. Because you are here, you have taken the steps, you are taking the efforts, you are making the efforts. So always remember, this is the best way to thank God, when you are congratulating yourself or patting yourself, right? So let's move towards the second step towards learning Vedic mathematics. Yes, Devansh. Okay. Before this, let's start. Ishan Prabhakar Anand. Okay, yesterday name was.
No, I'm Sudhanshu Sivanand actually.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay. So, how many of you are able to complete the homework? Have you
I
submitted?
didn't get any homework.
Why? You were busy in making your seminar ready.
Yes,
Yes, Chandrika,
yes, sir.
you were busy making the workshop arrangements.
Sir?
I said you were busy in launching a workshop.
No, sir, not today Sunday, kada? School, play school learning.
Good. Okay, so even workshop, you're going for a workshop for kids, right?
Yes, sir.
I saw your status in the midnight. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other? Niharika, what about the homework? Kalpana, Shalini, not submitted. I don't think I
Yes, submitted, sir.
Very good. Whosoever has submitted, that would be checked. Neha, any doubts now regarding yesterday's topics?
No, sir.
Any questions? Anything might be striking? Yes, Shalini, now you agree? Left hand side to right hand side is more faster than right hand side to left hand side?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Jyoti, Devansh, did you complete the homework?
Yes, sir.
You have not submitted it. I have not received.
Sir, I'll submit later, sir.
See, tomorrow
I've
never
done
comes.
homework.
Tomorrow never comes.
Yes.
That is what
Sorry,
I
sir.
told you. Whenever you're
I'll
taking
just submit it, sir.
it's okay. Good. Okay. So today we'll be learning. We'll be starting with the opportunities, why we are here, what for we are here. Nowadays, everybody is busy. There's scarcity of money. So still, if we are finding time to learn something, was it worth learning? Is it important? So these are the opportunities now which are knocking your doors. So Vedic mathematics, after this implementation in national education policy, it has become very important, and it has opened a large number of opportunities. Now you can start the classes right from your home. See, this during this COVID time, one thing which we all have achieved, that is training globally from home. Might be this could not have been more effective if we were continuing with our work. But now after COVID, yes, everybody is able to do that. They have got the market, they have got the clients, they have got everything, and people have accepted it. Every child is now aware about online education. So Vedic mathematics can be taught right from the home. Yesterday we discussed it is easy to learn as well is easy to train. So there is no difficulty in this. Secondly, you can open a training institutions. Now, if you have good office and all, so you can run. One thing is Vedic mathematics classes specifically for kids, trainers, and then competitive examinations. So this can be run as a training institution also. Or people who think, no, I don't want to invest in that. So they can take home tuitions of maths or Vedic mathematics as they feel like. Yesterday also, few of you and others also, they asked that whether I'll be getting a job. Now see, we cannot commit among government jobs. But if we go other way around, every village even has 10 schools. A minimum, that is a minimum 10 schools every village has. So even if 10 schools in a village start this subject as a mandatory subject in their class curriculum, so see how many opportunities are there, right? So as a trainer, everybody wants now freelancer trainers. Nobody wants to have a fixed teacher, because definitely this is one subject. Nobody would like to give full salary to a teacher who is handling only a single subject. But as a trainer, you can get this opportunity to teach more and more people, tie up with more and more people. All those who want, I can share you a proposal. Like when we approach to any school, so we give them a proposal, what are the benefits, how it can be useful for their students as well as their marketing component. If you have seen my page, 3 days back, there was a post from one of a school in Bangalore. Now what they are promoting is first school to implement national education policy, starting Vedic mathematics classes from class 1 onwards. So see, two things they are doing at a time. One thing, they are focusing, they are telling the government, yes, we have implemented national education policy. Apart from that, they are focusing all the parents. Yes, this school is advanced, this has taken the step, this is going as per the national education policy, and it is teaching one subject extra. So this way, every school is looking for trainers, teachers, professionals, marketers, whatever they want. And so overall, if we say, there is many opportunities in this subject now. So during last few months, one major thing happened was national education policy, and another was when our honorable Prime Minister, he announced in one, he was discussing in one of the Man Ki Baat, and he told Usman, a student was there, Usman, that you should learn Vedic mathematics if you want to clear the entrance exams. Now see how important can be a statement from a prime minister of a country. So do you know how many followers he has? So all those people, all those students who were getting the trainings, they started to question this the same thing. What is Vedic mathematics? How can we get enrolled in that? How can it help me in a competitive examination? So even every day I receive many calls. See, this subject has gained importance, but we also have to make our position into the market. So how can we do it? Now the best way today is social media. I told you yesterday to have a Facebook page, Instagram page, and most of you have it, but we are not utilizing that to the most. I'll tell you the difference, how we are using and how it has to be used so that we get the maximum benefit out of it. So coming to these, back to the opportunities. So opportunities are there now. It is you who have to take these opportunities, who have to take the benefit out of these opportunities. There is no looking back after this, right? So this is the best time you can start with this program, or you can start teaching this subject, and with time you'll get the benefit out of it. So coming back to the homework, yes. First was a Facebook. How many of you have Facebook page? Not, it's yes, Sudhanshu. I'm not talking about file. I'm talking about page.
I have, sir.
Now,
We
do you
have,
know-
sir.
Yeah, okay, great. Now, do you know the difference between a page and a profile?
Yes.
A page is where people like you. They make make friends. You get people who are known to you, and page is an official page which basically reviews your business. It has your location. There people like your profile, and they further give the reviews. Jobs are a part of your page. So many other things which are not present in the profile, that is there. Now, I know few of you are trainers over here, and your question is always there. I'm not getting the benefit of Facebook ads. Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So Shalini, tell me, are you posting or are you giving ads?
I have tried both.
Now, whom are you targeting?
Means, sir, in a ad, actually, Facebook has already mentioned the age or the locality or the kilometers or whatever they actually provide us. And when we post, we basically hired some content writer and SM handler and all. These are the some professionals person who can target proper audience. But both the ideas have not worked yet.
Okay, how did you approach me?
I have seen your advertisement on FB page only.
Then that means my ad is working. See more. What is the problem? Very first thing, let's understand. We intermix the things. Profile is which is liked by our friends, our relatives. If you post regarding your personal visits, personal happening, everybody would like. The moment you post regarding your business, nobody will give a damn care to it.
Correct.
Why? Because
Right,
nobody
right.
is bothered about your business. The same. See, we are also not bothered about our relatives' business or our friends' business. So why will they be linked? Second thing, now in business we have to do every day. So even friends, they get irritated why he's posting every day on the same topic, because if they are not concerned about it, right? Because the interest does not match. So that is where a page is different. A page is an entity where people come themselves and like us, or they want to get attached to us. Why? Because they are interested in our services or our products. Very first thing. So, and when we are talking about business, see, we start a business or we do a business to earn. So when and let's talk about offline business. What do? We open an office, then we give an advertisement, then we do many things, opening and now when we talk about online business, so that is the first requirement. There you open a physical office, here you open a Facebook page. Second thing, now there you make advertisements, offline advertisements, newspaper, channels, local cable and whatsoever. Here it is either boosting your post or leads or views or likes to your page. So there are so many options you have. But mind it, this is very cheap. I'll give you a very, maybe you will not believe, I'm talking about around 12 years back, 12 to 14 years back. I put up in a very small city. So my even budget was more than 8 to 10 lakhs for one ITI post advertisement. If I compare now, I'm advertising in the entire world or entire country. If I advertise for the same amount, do you know how many clients we can get?
Oh,
But we are not focusing that way. Second thing, when we focus on the clients, now Facebook is available to everyone. Niharika. So we have to choose or select as per our requirement. It is very easy, but proper, and nobody can do it for you, ma'am. Shalini, though we can hire, everyone can hire people, but what you understand about your subject, no one can understand. So when it comes to posting the ads, I always say a person should lead himself or herself. Nobody can understand whom I want to target. On a bigger platform, they can understand, but minute changes. For example, I'll give you a small example. I targeted only people who know maths, or who are maths teachers, or who are into mathematics subject, or who are running maths academy. I think that is done. If I give the ad for everyone, housewives, businessmen, shopkeepers will come, what will I teach them? It's first thing. Yes, Facebook is also becoming a costlier day by day. If we talk about it, 2 years back, it was only rupees 40 per day in posting an ad. Last year, it was around 76 when Corona started, 2020. And now there is no limit to it. Sometimes you receive a lead for 100 rupees also. But again, it is far, far cheaper. Think if you give an ad in a newspaper, then also you don't get anything after paying such a huge amount. But here the basic thing is you can focus, you can target your audience. So that is only possible that when you go for Facebook page. So that is a necessity, right? So even if you have any questions regarding this, you can discuss later on also. Because I don't think everybody is interested in starting classes. So they have not done Facebook page. Yes, Kiran, Jyoti, Nirmit. Nirmit is the student. Kalpana, Chandrika. Chandrika, have you done a page?
Yes, sir.
Great. So how many, are you posting or are you giving advertisements?
Actually, till now we have posted, and once we have tried to give an ad, but it was not successful.
Okay. So what error it gave?
Sorry?
What error came? Why it was not successful?
I don't know that ad have no reach.
Okay. Got. Okay. So if you have any later on in the week, I'll tell you how to post it and how to advertise that. Okay. So we'll discuss all this in detail.
Yes, sir, this is actually the content and the image. It basically we are not too much successful in posting that particular content, or your profile appeared in a very professional way when I
No.
saw your advertisement.
When it seems, see, now, yes, you have to be continuous in it's there are two things. Now, if you'll post today, it is not necessary you'll be getting response today itself. Just now, 5 minutes or 10 minutes prior to this workshop, I received a call from a lady from Agartala, and she told me that she inquired last year. So what happens? Response you cannot calculate within a short span of time. Now, if we are posting some advertisement today, maybe that person is busy, or maybe it didn't click that day. But every time they'll save your number if you're sending something, right? So, but it has to be continuous. If you are starting advertisement today, so it should not be like, I started today, I didn't get any response, I closed it. If you're going for any advertisement, you have to go for minimum 7 days, and you'll see on the 6th day the response will start boosting. It is not only because people also want to have faith, they also observe. And one thing you will believe, okay, today if you just think of any product, you think you want a washing machine, I'm just giving you an example, just search for a washing machine. So what will happen from tomorrow onwards, Facebook will start showing you all the ads regarding washing machines.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now the same thing happens with the customer. When a customer, he saw my ad regarding Vedic mathematics, and if he invested some time on that, that means if he browsed that ad or clicked on that ad or stayed on that ad for certain time limit, then that would be recorded. Recorded means it will come, yes, that person was there for so much time. And then Facebook algorithm will start sending the same person, more ads regarding Vedic mathematics. So what will happen? That person will also compare, na? So then if a person is comparing, what will he see? First, he'll see your page, your profile. Then he'll try to talk to you, reach to you. So that means when he's trying to reach to you, it's not only that he has reached to you. He's reaching to all those people who are having the advertisement at that time, or all those people whose ads were shown by the Facebook. Now, this is competition. This is what happens. So then at that time, your delivery, your content has to be at the upper end. So this is where things fail. See, putting an ad, getting response is one thing. How do we handle it? That is also a big point.
हेलो
हाँ, सुधांशु बताइए.
ये ऐसा है कि अभी मैंने पेज को जनरेट किया और मैंने पेज को अगर लॉन्च कर दिया, तो एक्चुअली है क्या कि for me, I'm just talking about myself actually here. The people just start to just consult to me, and in these very conditions, I'm not able to deliver the content actually because I am the beginners. Then how can I handle at this moment?
See,
because suppose I have just launched that, I have so many friends, and personally friends know me. What's I am.
Now
So
let me tell you, Sudanshu, those are friends. They are there to just congratulate for your page. They are not your business clients. Please understand this thing. Business clients, they always check what is the transparency. There is a word. If you see a page, you get to know since how long that page exists. Why Facebook has given that on the first page, on the home page itself? So that clients can evaluate. And even Facebook, I didn't mention you this thing. They always see that, yes, the person who is posting also, even advertising, is he worth also or not? They never give you more leads up till 7-8 days. Then only they start giving you leads. If you see Facebook algorithm, during 24 hours in a day, you won't get response. And when you get response in one at any point of time in the evening or any time, you'll get 4 response immediately. Now, how does it happen? 4 people are responding from different areas at the same time, and throughout the day there was no response. So it is all algorithm based. So everybody is being scrutinized, everybody is being watched, and all your actions are being recorded. So whatever we are doing, see, I give you a very simple example. You search for washing machine today, from tomorrow onwards you'll get the advertisements of washing machine. So we cannot, everything, we are under a camera now, everyone is under camera, right? Okay, so anyone has any question regarding, if you found any difficulty regarding opening or understanding this, you can personally also contact Shamshunisa, please. Okay, regarding homework, the tables as well as the multiplication, any difficulty, anything which
No, sir.
you were not able, any 3-digit, 4-digit, whatever, anyone? So everyone has completed it. Devansh, Shamsunisya, Chandrika. Okay, I think all are dull today. Sunday is always like rest day, so just be motivated then. Now, he is Mr. Hussain. Okay, I'll explain. He is Mr. Hussain from Nigeria. If you see the date, it is 23rd/4/21. So last year he took training, a math teacher. Now, math teacher as well as Vedic Mathematics trainer. He has not got any increment in the salary, but what he got, that respect from the kids, that respect from the children, their parents. Why? Because he is able to deliver more than required. He has got that additional knowledge. He is able to give them extra, right? So this is what is now, all those who think that we are already into job, we will not get any increment or we will not get anything benefited of it. See, knowledge always pays you. Maybe not financially directly, but it pays you. So you have to understand this fact that knowledge never goes waste. How many of you know what is Quora? Quora.
Pardon, sir?
Yes, Quora is a
Quora.
platform where students ask the question and we actually give the answers.
Have you ever given the answers on Quora?
Yes, sir.
We have.
Which topic?
On algebra, trigonometry and all, in mathematics only.
Great. So have you checked at what position you are there on the most viewed writers? No. Now today, if you see, I'm the most viewed writer on the topic Vedic Mathematics. And there is a difference. If I have, I think today morning, yesterday it was 7,000 something views, and the second person was having only 1,000. See, what does this give? This gives you that recognition. People start believing on you. It's not only Facebook or Instagram on social media. There are so many other platforms. LinkedIn is one of them. But Quora, it gives you something different. You get established as a teacher, as a trainer, or as a brand. Every week, parents approach me through this. If they are not on Facebook, so many parents are not on Facebook, but they keep on searching the questions. Then they reach Quora and then they get back to me. Now, when they are reaching via Quora, you know, that is a confirmation lead. You agree or not? If you are
Yes, sir.
helping somebody out, I'll give you one example. Last month, I think there was a SANIC exam, 6th class. So one father, he reached to me, he said, my child, he's weak in LCM HCF. So I said, okay, you put the questions on Quora. And you see, he added some questions on Quora. I started solving it. Now I think I've solved most questions on LCM HCF only, because that topic is very easy in Vedic mathematics. In normal maths, it takes time, but in Vedic mathematics, so this concept of LCM HCF is very easy. So this is the way how you can get recognized. So yes, ma'am, Shalini, you're saying we don't get the response. See, but this way you get the response, and those leads which you'll be getting through Quora, they will be authentic, and they'll respect you as a brand, as a trainer, as a teacher, because you have solved their queries, right?
Yes, sir.
Now she is a girl. Okay, I'll cut short. Now she's a 9th class student from Assam. She's a trainer now, and she's able to train juniors also, seniors also. So what has happened? So if a girl child of 9th class and a teacher from Nigeria can learn Vedic mathematics and earn everything, not even see, money is not one thing, respect and other things. So can we not? Yes. Do you think if they can do, why not we? Yes. No motivation? This is our subject. If yes, it got delayed in India, but now it has done it. So now it is the right time to make the best use of it, right? Okay, let's start with calculations. So first topic we'll be doing is finding squares of numbers. Now, to find squares, square of 1 is 1. Now, what is a square? Square is a number multiplied by itself. Okay, you can write down this table first. Square of 1 is equal to 1. Square of 2 is equal to 4, because this will be utilizing to find squares of bigger numbers. 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, very easily we can find if we know this table. Square of 4 is 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, and 10, 100. So let me know once you have written. Devansh, have you written? Nirmit?
Yes, sir.
Good. Jyoti, have you written? Sudhanshu? Neha, Kiran, Kalpana. Okay. Shamsu, Nisa. I'll call you Nisa only because I get.
Yes, sir.
Written? Great. Niharika, have you written? Good.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Very good. Okay, so let's start. And White screen is not coming, no? Okay, it is there. Yes. So the first topic would be is finding squares of two-digit numbers. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Let me increase the size. So what is a square? Square is nothing but the number multiplied by itself. If a number is n, here is represented like this, 2. And this is n multiplied by n. So this is your number multiplied by again the number. So a number multiplied by itself gives you square. So on similar terms, square of 1 is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Square of 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Up till here, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes, sir.
well.
Yes, sir.
Now, so we'll start learning bigger one. Let's say the first number, we take it as 23. If we have to find the square of 23, what do we do? Yes, Shami?
Multiply 23 into 23.
This is what we are doing up till now. 23 into 23, that gives 9, 6, 0, 6, 4, 5, 2, 9. Yes? This is what we do.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now in Vedic maths, it's a very simple thing. The simple thing is we already remembered first 10 digits. Let's make the use of that. What is the square of 2?
4.
Nirmal?
4.
So we'll write in 2 digits. 0, 4. Square of 3 is
9.
9.
9.
0, 9.
9.
This is my first step. Second step. All these numbers, 2, 3, and this 2. Or we can say 2A, B. A and B are the first and the second numbers. We'll find this. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. I'll just not write anything on this place and we'll start from 10th place. I'll write the answer 12. And we'll add it. It becomes 5, 2, 9. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me take one more example. 3, 6. Here. So 3 means 0, 9. 6 means 36. This is my first step. Second is 3 into 9, 3 into 6 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36. Again 36 here. 12, 9, 6. Any doubt?
296.
Any doubts? The only thing is we don't have to write anything here. Anyone have any
Can you
doubt?
explain the second step, sir?
Sorry.
Can you explain the second step?
Second step is we have to find product 2AB. What is 2A? A is the first digit, the digit at tens place. B is the digit at unit place. So 2 into 6 into 3 into 2. So this is 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Now is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you.
Anyone? Yes, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. If you don't have the questions, then answer. What is square of 44? Devansh.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
1936.
1936, sir.
3, sir.
Okay, Nirmit. Now you're doing it for the first time.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy than your previous method?
Yes, sir.
See now what has happened, I'll tell you. In your previous method, 44, 44, it was giving carryovers. 6, 1 carryover. 16 and now what happens here is where the students get confused because this was 1 carryover. Now again, when we are taking this, we forgot to cross this and sometimes we make it double or sometimes we leave it. But here those carryovers, yesterday also I told you, why less silly mistake? Because multiple carryovers are removed. Yes or no? Now is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
16, 16 and down you are writing 32 and you got the answer.
1936.
Good. Okay. Then 45. Neha. Now this
2125.
all those who are
One
teachers,
second.
they might be knowing this verbal. We'll do that also.
1 second.
2025, sir.
Yes. So all of you would be able to
2025.
get
Yesterday
the
it was.
answer within seconds. I'll tell you the concept for that after this.
Yes, you told us.
56.
3136.
3136.
Okay.
3136, sir.
78.
608.
6084.
6084.
6084.
So is it easy or the normal calculations was easy?
This is easy.
This is easier.
That's what. See, everything, whatever you are doing since yesterday, that is easy. Further, it will become more easy and easy. 87.
7569.
7569.
569.
Anyone who has left, who is not able to get, yes, Sudhanshu, I'm not getting answer from you.
7569, sir.
Sudhanshu, समझ नहीं आया आज? Voice is close. Unmute yourself. Kalpana,
7569, sir.
Shamsu Nisa,
Sir, please repeat I'm confused actually now.
Where you are confused? Tell me.
Sir, please repeat the 56 actually.
56. Correct. What
Okay.
is square of 5?
25.
25.
What is square of 6?
46.
36.
Up till here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, you don't have to write anything here. You have to find 2A, B. What is A? A is the first digit. B is your second digit.
5.
So 5 into 6 is 30. 30 into 2 is 60.
Okay, sir.
Now, is it clear?
Ji sir, 30.
Any questions you have? You can. Okay. 97.
Nine four zero nine.
9269.
9409.
92 किसका आया?
9409.
9409.
Yes, anyone who is not able to do this one.
9409.
So don't think if it is a 3-digit, not to worry.
9409.
The only thing you don't have to write on this. Clear or any doubt?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Okay, if somebody is finding difficulty in this writing, another way to write. Same question, I'll take 20. Now, you have to write like this. A square, 2AB, B square. So, 5 is 25, 2AB is 60, and B square is 36. Earlier we were writing down the middle part. Now the same rule which we applied, one position, one digit. This goes here. 6, 3, 31. Yes, Sudhanshu, is it clear now this way?
Yes, sir. I'm clear.
Wherever you go that way, you can write in this manner also, so that there is no doubt left. Anyone has a doubt? Anyone has any questions you can ask right now?
No, sir, it's clear, sir.
Very good. Okay. Okay, I think now 2 digits are clear. So what is square of 99? The last, the biggest 2-digit number.
Nine eight zero one.
9801. 9801, sir.
You,
9801.
okay, good.
9801.
Now this concept,
980.
good, great. Now this concept is very useful, very easy for 2-digit numbers. Same can be implemented for 3-digit numbers also. Let's do. Let me have number 102. Step 1.
0404.
No. I'll take this 10 as A. This as B. So what is the A square? 100. What is 2AB? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 10 is 40. And 4. Again, 1 digit here, here 1 digit, this will is extra, it goes here, it becomes 10404. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, why not I cannot take this as B and only 1 as A? Can I take this way?
Because no, sir, because there is a zero, like it's 0 and 2, so it is considered as 2. When it is 1 and 0, we can consider as 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shalini, can we do like this also?
102, if we are considering 02 as a number, it will be 2, sir. So we cannot do this.
Sir, can we do it by the another method which you told us previously?
Which one?
We after doing the square of the A or B, then we add under it.
वही वो हम बीच में कर रहे हैं 3 डिजिट में, उसमें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं आप. मेरा क्वेश्चन वो नहीं है नेहा, मेरा क्वेश्चन समथिंग डिफरेंट है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. इट वाज अ 3 डिजिट
मैं
नंबर.
आपसे वो पूछना चाहती हूँ कि वो पॉसिबल है कि उस मेथड से भी हम इसको कर सके.
नहीं करें, कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे बच्चे. आप भी कंफ्यूज हो गए क्योंकि 0004 लेना पड़ेगा. अगर वहां पे 04 लेना पड़ेगा. इस मेथड इसमें जब आप स्ट्रेट लाइन में लेते हैं तो देयर इज नो बॉदरेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. वहां पे आपको वो ध्यान रखना है. ओके, नाउ बट नेहा, माय क्वेश्चन इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. आई एम आस्किंग, आई टुक B as 2, 10 as A. Can I take 1 as A and 02 as B? Yes, Nirmit.
0 has no value before 2, 0 don't have any value.
Yes.
सर बी एक यूनिट प्लेस को शो करता है. यूनिट प्लेस पे एक ही नंबर आ सकता है. सो वी कैन नॉट कंसीडर दिस 02 एज बी.
Okay.
And before 2, 0 have no value because 0 2 square is 4 only. And
इसका
then 1
मतलब,
square is 1.
let me, I am interrupting all of you. इसका मतलब अगर 112 आएगा तब तो हो सकता है, और 102 हो तो नहीं हो सकता. आपके कहने के अकॉर्डिंगली यही हुआ.
मतलब किसी भी
Maybe.
सर नंबर के पहले अगर 0 है तो सर उसका अगर स्क्वायर करेंगे तो 0 का एक्चुअली स्क्वायर नहीं हो पा रहा. उसका आंसर हम उसको नहीं ले पा रहे.
ये आपके मैथ्स में नहीं होता था, वैदिक मैथ्स में होता है.
Sir, I got the answer actually.
आंसर इज
Because why we are taking the B only 1 digit, it's because it's one's place. So we can take only 1 digit.
no. Yes, who is left? Shamsunisa,
No idea, sir.
Chandrika, your
Yes, sir.
क्लास कैसे लोगे बताओ.
No, sir. What, sir?
Tell me what is the answer. You have logged from 2 logins.
Okay. I'm switched in.
No, tell me what is the answer.
Which question, sir? I am sorry.
No issues. Yes, Jyoti. Okay, it is possible. Don't say it is not possible. Let me tell you. Don't focus ki it is this, so it will not happen. The only difference is, as per the place value, we should have one single digit at each place value. I agree. I told you, I taught you this thing. But if we are focusing, yes, there are 2 digits at the place. That means every place value will have 2 digits. So 02 can be written as 04. 2 into 2, again 04. And 1 as 1. This is your answer without any shifting.
Okay.
The only difference came is because similarly, that means If it was 112, okay, now let me, you'll get more confident when you'll do this. 112. If I take this 124 and 144, is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. So now can I have 3 places here?
Yes, only 2.
No.
Only 2, because 2 we are giving to the unit place in the question also. So it becomes 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Now see the difference. If I have taken this as this one, 11 and 2. 11 as a A, so 121,
11.
44,
44, 4.
And 4.
So now single digit is at the unit place. So here also single digit. I cannot have 2 digits in the middle then. If at unit place I am allowing single, this will also go here. It will become 1, 2, 5, 4, 4.
1, 2, 5, 4, 4.
See the difference between both the questions, both the attempts. So never, so it's not you cannot do, but you have to be careful that the number of digits you are considering at unit place, they would be equally the same at every place.
See.
Because why now, as per your concepts, if it was a 4-digit number, then we will never be able to do. So it's not that. Any questions, any doubts now, Sudhanshu, Shalini, Niharika?
No, sir.
See, I told you yesterday also, whatever is coming in your mind, you ask me. Then only your doubts would be clear. Don't think what others will think or what. Here we are here to learn, to get the maximum benefit from the workshop. Maybe I missed something, but if you'll ask, I will definitely tell you. Now,
So
Niharika,
when we can take, so when we can take 999 square, then we don't know 99 square. So we have to do double digit and then we have to proceed with the third 3 digits.
Now 999 square. Very first
Yes,
thing
sir.
is, I am coming to this question. I'll come after 3-4 minutes. So I'll answer you this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
First, when we started with this topic, I said this is the technique to find 2-digit numbers only. And 3 I have done. I am able to do 121. That is a 3-digit. Now my question is, if I ask you 136, okay, 136 also you know, because 13 everybody knows. If it is 186 here, now your difficulty starts. Why? Either you make 18 square. Now 18 square also you don't know verbal. So what you'll do, you'll find first square of 18 separately in the rough work. Yes? So what is 18 square? What is 18 square? Find out. You do it. Yes, Sudhanshu, kariye. Nirmit?
So 276.
324.
004.
324, sir.
Okay.
2004.
324. Then here it is 36. I am taking 18 because I cannot take 86. Got it? Okay, so what will come in between 18 into 2 is 36. 36 into 6 is?
Two one 16.
16.
216.
216, sir.
So what happens? Now I have taken only B as single digit. So it will remain here also single. 9. 21 will go here. So that becomes 3, 4, 5. So when you were doing 2-digit numbers, it was very easy. Yes? But the moment 3-digit number started, you start finding difficulty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Difficulty से आराम चाहिए. चलिए एक टफ करते हैं so that you know the heat, and then I'll give you easy method. 279, please find out, everyone.
Sir, can you please repeat the answer of 186? What was the answer?
32596.
3 4
3. Okay, 3 4.
5 9 6.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now please find out this. 279.
729. Or, 733961.
7 3 3 9 1. Okay, so you took 27 or 79 combination.
27 and 9.
Okay, good. So what happened when it was a 2-digit? It was very easy because we used that table. 3-digit, when it was near to 100, it was easy. The moment we are moving away from 100, it is becoming difficult. 100 or 200. See, if I ask you now 204, that is very easy for you. What is the value of 204?
400 और ये हो गया 20 दूनी 20 चौक 80 दूनी 160 और ये 16, तो ये हो गया 6 160 और 161 मतलब 1 6.
Sir, can you tell me third step of this? Like I calculated 729/486/81. After that, how we will do the final step?
Which one, ma'am? 279.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So ये B लिया आपने. This you have taken A. So what is the square of 27?
729.
729.
729. Okay. What is square of 9? 81.
81.
What is square of, what is that?
486.
कितना?
2AB. 486.
अच्छा, आपको इसके बाद नहीं समझ आ रहा.
Yes, sir. After this.
1 रहेगा. 8 goes here. What is 486 plus 8?
494.
Okay.
Yes, नेहा. कल भी हमने ये टॉपिक.
Yes.
अब 49 यहाँ ले जाओ. कितना बना?
Okay.
ये 8 को यहाँ पे दिया 14, 9, 4. ठीक है. 4 9 को वहाँ पे ले गया.
अभी डाउट से यहाँ
77841 or 76.
सॉरी
998. 77. Yes. Okay.
क्लियर.
No, sir. Please repeat again, sir. Sir, when you are adding, sir, 8 to the 6, now the answer is 494. Now, sir, you add in 7 to 9.
एक मिनट सुधांशु. इसका 1 लिया.
जी सर.
आपके यहाँ पे आ गया. ओके, लेट मी. इसमें यूनिट प्लेस को ही तो रखेंगे आप. 4.
जी.
अब 49 को आगे लेके गए. 729 plus 49 कितना होता है?
ठीक.
Why you are not adding 8 and 6?
Sorry?
14.
Why you are not adding 8 and 6? Because For the last sum, you are adding 3 plus 6, the first digit. Here, why you are not adding 8 plus 6?
Which 8?
You are
This.
adding the 4, 8 is, yeah.
I added, that's why 486 plus 8 is 494.
Yeah,
Yes,
why
you can
you are
do that.
adding the whole number with 8?
Okay,
Because
you
for
add,
the previous, yeah,
ma'am. If a number,
for the previous sum,
which
uh,
one?
yeah.
Which one?
It's 186.
Okay, let me show you 186 again. What is 18 square?
It's 324.
What is, here it is 36.
Yeah,
Yes.
216.
216. So where do we add?
So
See,
you added 3 plus 6, right?
ma'am,
See the
it is 216 plus 3.
It's a-
This is a single digit number, does not give carryover. So it is 219 only now.
219.
Yeah, that's the doubt
9
I
only
have.
down.
If it is a carryover, you have to add the whole number with that.
No, without carryover also you are adding to the whole number only.
Okay, okay. I
What are
thought
you doing,
you
ma'am?
added the last. Okay, yeah. Now I got it. Thank you.
Adding to the whole number, the only thing is there it is the carryover, so you see it as a different.
Okay. Thank
How is
you.
it clear? Don't worry. Okay, so tough time. 999.
9 plus 1. 199. 19991.
198001.
Yes, sir.
How can in maths we have two different answers? This is a verbal answer. After 10 minutes, you'll calculate this in 1 second.
998008. Sorry,
Wrong.
00.
How can you get 8 at the unit place?
991 आ रहा है सर मेरा तो.
Wrong.
999 plus 1 plus 1.
1.
Wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
98091. 98091.
998001.
नेहा, आपने निखिलम मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है?
Yes.
तो उसमें ये वर्बल आंसर है -1 so 998001. The answer should be 998001.
So the answer is 998001.
I missed one step.
नहीं आया मुझे तो.
कोई बात नहीं.
9 into 999.
ये ले लो चाहे.
998001 sir.
Yes.
99800.
99 का बना था 9801. 81
81.
और 99 into 9 is
1782.
2. So this 8 goes here, it becomes 1790. So
90.
0. Okay, let me write then 1790. So 179 जब add होगा तो again this will become 0.
9980.
899. So 998001. But yes, Nirmit, Devansh, did you get this answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Why did we take 3 numbers to the other side?
Which 3 numbers?
179.
We cannot see, we have to keep 1 digit only here, na? So here there were 4 digits.
998.
Here we had 2 digits, so 1 digit was shifted.
Oh, okay.
See, we have to keep 1 digit only. Now, if it is 2 digits, we have to shift 1. If it is 3 digit, we have to shift 3. 2. If it is 4 digit, you have to shift 3. Okay, don't worry. This question you will be solving again.
Sir, I
And-
have a doubt. When we are taking from the left hand side, I mean now 9801 178281 is there. So we are coming from right side, that we are taking 8 to 1782. When we can solve from 9801, like what yesterday we have learned. So will we get the same answer, sir?
Answer will not change. The only thing is we are not habitual
Sir,
of
can you please solve it from the left hand side?
no.
From the second step.
That's what I'm saying. I'll come this question again. Wait for 5 minutes. I told you first also.
Okay, sir.
Now see.
Okay.
The point is we are doing it regularly from that side, and to move from here, keep that practice for other methods also. Now this particular question, okay, let me tell you one thing. If I give you two questions, 776 into 776 and 999 into 999, which is easy as per you or as per any child?
999 wala. If he just knows the identity, then 999 wala thoda easy rahega.
थोड़ा नहीं, ये तो verbal ही हो जाएगा. See, but for math students, they'll say everybody thinks like the number is smaller, that might be easy. It is not in the case of Vedic mathematics. The number may be bigger enough, but if it is close to reference point, there is known as a base. There is a word, a term known as base. What is base? Basically, base is like 10, 100, 1000. Now this number is very close to 1000. There is a Nikhilum method. Now this 99 is one less. So in front of this, if I write 1001 is my multiplication and 998 becomes answer. So this was verbal answer for me. My point is only one thing. We don't, in Vedic maths, we have different concepts for different numbers. Same question can be solved by other methods also. You have to decide which one you will accept. We'll solve today, you see. Okay. Now, coming back, 65, a 2-digit number. What is the answer? So all of you are taking time. No, you. No. Now let me tell you. Now second topic.
455.
Okay. Yes. Neha got it.
384.
Finding. We'll do it again.
4
Same question. You will do it again and then see your speed. Finding squares of numbers ending with 5.
So I know this.
Now, numbers ending with 5 using, now the sutra is called as, again, the same sutra which we applied in our tables of 9. Ikadikena Purvena.
It will be 455.
Now, what happens when you are doing 65? Just observe. I'm writing finding the squares of a numbers used with ending with 5. Now, because of this 5, the middle term will always have 0 here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, because middle term will have 0 here, and always you will have 25 here. This is also clear. Anyone has a doubt on this?
Sir.
So this 2 will go here, so that at the end, when number is ending with 5, at the end you will always have 25. Always. Is it up till here? Is this clear?
Sir, we will multiply 6 into 7.
And what happens prior to this? If I see, it is always number square plus that number. 6 square plus number. So if you take it, it becomes whatever is number multiply by n plus 1. Correct? This is there. N square plus n was n square plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 means now if number is same, you are multiplying with one more 7 and the other part is 25 only. So now it becomes verbal.
4 2 2 5.
See, if it is 35, I'll say 3 into 4. You can immediately think 3 into 4 is 12 and 25. So answer is 12, 25. Yes?
Yes.
Any doubt, any questions you have now? 45. 4 into 5 is 20. 20, 25 is the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Panshu,
Yes, sir.
what is, so, okay, let's have a question round then. 15 square.
2 to 5.
165.
2 to 5, sir.
Sorry, 2 to 5.
Yes, Niharika, you did not understand?
Sir, can you please repeat it, sir? Because there was lots of background noise from somebody, so I couldn't hear it properly.
No background noise now.
Before it was a little
All
bit.
are silent. No, you have to concentrate. See,
Maybe I had some disturbance, sir,
okay, no issues,
in my earphones.
no problem. Whatever is number, you have to multiply with one more. So what comes after 1? 2. So you're multiplying the number. See, I calculated here how it came. Now 65 I was doing, 25 you get on the rightmost side. You'll always get 0 here. So if you'll get 0 here, that means 2 will automatically be shifted here and 25 you'll get every time. Now this is 6, this was 36. 36 means 6 square. So in general, it is n square and plus n. Because when this will go here, it will become 36 plus 6 only. So what is n square plus n? N multiplied by n plus 1. So what is that?
Yeah.
So 6. Now this you need to understand. Why this is happening? Why if a number is ending with 5, why do we take like this? Ranshu, voice is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is square of 25?
6 to 5.
Devansh. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Niharika, Neha, Kalpana, Jyoti. Jyoti, you're writing yes, sir. I'm asking you the answer. 35.
12 to 5.
1 to 2, 5.
Very good. Devansh, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Kalpana, are you getting? Chandrika?
Yes, sir.
Chandrika, not interested today? Or you know? Just give me one second. Hello. हाँ जी, मैं क्लास में हूँ इस टाइम, मैं इसलिए फोन काट रहा था आपका। आज तो ऑफिस बंद है ना। नहीं अर्जेंट नहीं, मैं आप 1 घंटे बाद कॉल। Yes. So what is square of 45 then?
2025.
55. Neha?
3025.
3025.
65.
4225.
See, if you're not listening, then for bigger numbers, then you won't never understand. Niharika,
So would
I
this
got it,
work
sir.
for 3-digit
but
numbers
you
too?
have to answer also.
So would this work for 3-digit numbers too?
Yes, we'll go for it. What is for 85? Devansh.
7225.
Yes,
Yeah,
Devansh.
yes.
Come up.
25.
85.
7225.
You have to be prompt enough because 8 into 9, 72. Okay. Now see Devansh. 95.
9025.
9025. Yeah.
Got it? Okay. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
105.
11025.
Yeah.
So simple. 115.
13225.
1325. Now,
13225.
Devansh, your answer is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? Okay. 125.
15625.
See, this shows who knows tables.
5625.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Good. So all, now you got it. First was to find the square of 2-digit numbers. We did for 3 also. Second, we learned how to find it easily for all those numbers ending with 5. Similarly, we can use a technique to find the numbers ending with 4, 6. There are. Now, you all found a difficulty in finding 999. Yes, you found difficulty. Let's do another way. The third trick, the third concept of today. Finding squares of bigger numbers by universal method. Now this is known as universal method. I'll take first a small example, 23. Now in this method, in this concept, my aim is that unit place digit, if it is a 2-digit number, unit place digit, it gets converted to 0 over here. Instead of 3, I should get 0. So what are the possibilities?
20 plus 3.
23.
20 plus 3.
30 minus 7.
Okay. Yes, others?
अगर इसको 0 बनाना है.
Yes. Okay. Now I'll see. Neha, you know it or not? Neha?
No, sir.
Chandrika?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Chandrika? Kalpana?
No, sir.
What happened, Chandrika? Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm sorry. There is a difficulty in unmuting myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No, sir. Not sure.
Okay. So if I subtract 3, I get 20. Now, whatever you subtract, you have to add also. Right? Simply multiply this. Now, why I converted here 0? Because now I'll have a single number and the multiplication will become very easy. 26 into 2 is 52 and a 0 at back. 3 into 3 and we add this. It becomes 529. But it is not necessary. It is not necessary that you have to subtract 3 only. See again. I can add 7. It becomes 30. If I added, here I subtracted, so I got less number. Here I added, I got. So if I subtract, I'll get 16. What is 16 into 3? 480. And 7 into 7, 49. Add it. 9, 2, 5. See, same 23 you earlier solved using the first concept. Same 23 you used universal method, but two different approaches. So in Vedic mathematics, you have number of options. Yesterday, Shalini, you pointed out this thing. There are so many techniques which have to be remembered. No, it is not so many techniques you have to remember. There are so many ways you can solve your problem. So this is the thing we need to understand. Because every mind is different. Now here also somebody said add 7. Somebody said subtract 3. So yes, every idea can be incorporated. Every concept can be used. And that is the best part of this subject. Every question can be solved by a number of ways. Any doubt on this question first?
No, sir.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, now you faced problem in 1999. Now see, add 1. What do you get? 1000.
Then
Subtract 1. What do you get? 998. So what do, if you have to multiply this, what is this? 998,000. And here only 1 added. 998,001. So which is easy method now? The same question, you took so much of time because there you were multiplying first 9 into 9, finding a square of 9, then you were finding a square of 99, then you were finding 2ab. But here, what you did? Just added 1 and you got the solution. Is it clear now?
yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, Chandrika, Neha. Any questions regarding this?
No, sir.
11025. What is this answer, Jyoti? Okay. If this is done, find square of 103 first. I'll be back.
Plus 3 10600 10609.
10609.
0.0609. Yes.
Okay. So now is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same. 113. So add 13. Sorry, subtract 13. Add 13. 126 into 100. That means 12600 plus 169. Add it. How easy it becomes?
12769.
12626. 12626.
Very good. So any
12769.
doubt? Anyone has any doubt now?
No, sir.
Sorry, Sudhanshu, what answer you saying?
12626.
Wrong.
No,
How-
12769.
How can
12769.
no? Let me, Sudhanshu. How can you get 6 at the end? 3 into
Sir,
3.
first I ate. First I said subtract 13. The answer is 100. Now add 13. Answer is 126.
Ye Rana.
Ji, sir.
12600. So what is
12769, sir.
13 into 13? 169.
169.
12769, sir.
Oh, sir, I just ate that.
12769.
So it's 12769.
Multiplication, sir.
Sir, could you do it once with adding 7 and subtracting 7?
Sorry.
12769. Right? Sorry.
Yes, Devan.
Sir, could we do it once with adding and subtracting 7?
7. Which
Yeah,
one? This
for
one?
130. Yes, sir.
No, I won't suggest you. Why? See, if you do plus 7, it becomes 120. And here it becomes 106. So 12 into 106, is it easy for you?
Oh, no, sir.
That is the reason. See, that is the reason I did 100 plus 13 and 13, we can do it verbally. What's my point?
Sir, is there an easier method to do 3 and 2-digit multiplication?
Number like? 3 means,
Like,
means 3 it means. Example?
like 106 into
106 into
12, yeah.
into 12.
Yeah.
Yes, there are concepts. There are two. The method is known as criss-cross multiplication.
Okay.
That is multiplication part. I told you there are 2 general techniques in multiplication, and then there are 7 different methods, specific techniques in multiplication. So you can pick it up. Depending on the number, you can do it.
Okay.
Yes. Any questions, Shalini, Neha?
No, sir.
Nisha, Shamshu Nisha, Kiran, Kalpana, Neha, any questions left?
No, sir.
No.
Very good. So that was, we did 3 concepts. One was for 2-digit numbers. First, we used for 3 also. Then numbers ending with 5. So how easy it becomes. See, most of the times, if I'm getting a number ending with 5, why should I do the complete process? We can write down the answer simply. And the third was universal method when the numbers are big also. And we find difficult to in the calculation part. So we make it very easy. Any doubt now? Okay. Let's come back to this. So this is where we started. We leave the unit place digit, leave the unit place digit and write the product of the number. Sorry. And then, so leave unit, place, digit, and write the product of the numbers from tens place, right? This is how we attempted first. And then we also saw we can write it into a single line. All these questions we did. Then using e kadikena purvena. So left side, it becomes a into a plus, n into n plus 1. 26, there we took an example of 23. See, 26 also, you add 4, you subtract 4, and that becomes 676. Now this is easy, Shalini.
Yes, sir.
213. So 200 into, so purpose is when you are making it 20, the purpose is you are multiplying with single digit number. That is always easy. 112, we did 113, right? So now the second topic would be the cubes, but before that we'll learn how to start your own classes, how to launch your classes, the technical part. Okay, so now five important things are required. Very first thing is a thorough course idea. What we are going to offer, that is required. Whom we are going to offer, that is required. So you should have that. That was what I was discussing, Charlie. We need to understand who is my client and what is their requirement. Now, what happens? We post an ad, but we are not clear whether that ad is for whom. What is the target audience? Now, if we are writing it for the kids, then age is not given. So who will ask you? Who will confirm you? Nobody has got today time. So when we are posting something, when we are making some advertisement, the concept should be very clear. I told you first thing is posting. Second is the follow-up. And follow-up will, if somebody calls us, yes, what we are teaching, whom we are targeting. So we should have a very clear-cut picture. Are we targeting students? Are we targeting teachers? Or are we targeting the competitive students, the students who are going for a competitive examinations? Now, all these three things are entirely different. I'm not saying you should have a complete syllabus with you or complete books with you, but yes, an idea, a concept or content is at least you should have what you are going to teach them. Now, a mother is calling to you for class 3rd, so we cannot tell them all the complete Vedic mathematics. That is not required by that child. They cannot even understand the name of the sutras. So for them, the target is speed has to be increased. So specifically, you have to target that. Now, when you are going to for a small kids, yesterday I told you. Now, when we were learning tables, I just started and I made a grid. Okay, this is a table. We'll start with this. But when we have to teach the kids, now kids are silent. They are not attending. They are not interested because their parents have forced them to join the class. Now, how to engage them? This is the biggest problem. All of us make efforts. We post an ad, we get the leads, but after workshop, all are gone. Why? Because we were not able to engage those people in the workshop. We just were focusing on the time and we just were focusing what we want to say. We are not listening to them. First thing is to engage them. So how to engage them? If they are young kids, You have to play, you have to teach like a game. I told you yesterday also, there is a video, see, the same. It's not, see, you don't have to make very big efforts. The only thing is you have to think differently. How will be a child engaging with you? So first thing, when we start with tables, what we do, I just show them TikTok. I just show them. And I ask, what is this? Kalpana, there's a disturbance from your end. So when I ask them, what is this? Everybody starts speaking. So that means they started. First step taken. Now somebody is shouting this, that. Even one time I was taking a workshop of 85 students of SSR VM student. For the first 5 minutes, you won't believe they were just scribbling on the screen. So one parent got annoyed and he said, sir, you stop them. I said, why should I stop them? Let me give them 5 minutes at least. And that was that workshop was very successful. Second day, madam asked, what will you learn today? No, we will not learn. We'll go by games only. So that is, you have to generate the interest. Because they don't want to learn anything. Their parents have forced them to join your workshop or class. Second month, if they have joined for the first month, now you have to make sure they continue for the second month also and third month also. And if they have joined only for the workshop, make sure they join your class. So for that, you need to focus on engaging them. And to engage them, we have to listen to them also. And so first thing is handling the inquiries. But my handling inquiries, before that it comes is, I have a complete plan, whom I am going to teach. So 3 categories, students, teachers, and the teachers specifically for competitive academies, competition examinations. Now, if it is students, what age group? Because what you are teaching to a class 3rd, you cannot teach it to the class 8th. There is always a difference. Yes, in a workshop, you can take some together, but after the workshop, you have to segregate. So for a class 3rd, now a class 3rd journey, if you go for you understand, what I do is I take 3rd, 4th, 5th together, 6th, 7th, 8th together, and 9th, 10th and above together. Now why is it so? Because a child of a class 3rd, he will never understand your sutra. He needs only, first thing is the fear removal, second, confidence, third, his point is your multiplication tables and subtraction. And last is the division, because they, up till that, they go for division only. But if a child is in a class 6th, 7th, 8th, they are doing all kind of squares also, cubes also, square roots also, cube roots also. So that syllabus you should have with you. Again, I'm saying, if not books, syllabus, content, you should know. Yes, I have to offer this. So if a parent is calling, you should have a clear-cut idea. We cannot say, no, we'll teach everything. It is generally, when we say we'll teach everything, that inquiry goes off. Because everyone wants specific answer. Nobody wants a detailed story. Got it? And if it is a teacher, if they're going for, if you're running a training course, you have to teach them every method, everything. If anyone has seen the books, now there are 13 different concept techniques of finding a square. But are all 13 taught to every child? No. Class 3rd, 4th, 5th, some different. 7th, 8th, 9th, something different, and others different. Got it? So this is first thing. So you have to have a clear-cut idea and plan. First requirement before you launch your online classes. I told you, you are being watched, you are being compared with everyone. Any doubt, any questions on this? Yes, Chandrika, Neha, Sanshu, Shalini.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, please ask.
Like when we teach them how to multiply 25 into 25 and then 25 into 26 within 1 hour or within 2 hours, they know it. Yes, but after 2-3 days, yeah, or 4 days, basically they don't remember. The first problem, the parents actually complain that they don't use these techniques in their academics. So what's the use of this thing? Sometimes
Again,
what happens, sir,
now this Shalini,
again
for
the
this,
same.
see, I don't understand one thing. This question was passed. I told you, yes, ma'am, you are correct. If this question was last year, you are absolutely correct. But now it has to be done. Second thing, for knowledge, understand, there are parents like you are telling, but there are parents, I'll tell you about some parents. I'm taking, one parent is there. I'm taking personal classes for them. 2 kids are there. And that syllabus was over 4 months before. What they want? Continue every month. Why? Because they want their kids to understand more and more, go into depth, learn more and more. And the child is just 8 years and 10 years. So every kind of parents are there. First thing. Second thing, now talking about the use, when it would be implemented, like it is already there in your Rajasthan in the books, then there is no question of this. So yes, I told you yesterday, it takes time.
No, sir, in Rajasthan or in Madhya Pradesh or what we can say like this, the North Belt area. But if you are teaching in Mumbai, particular ICSE board students and all, and then
I am training.
as
I
you
am
said,
I am training maximum trainers from Mumbai. If you want, I can give you the names of the trainers. Mastermind classes. She's taking books from me from past 1 year. Shiva, 75 or
no, I
25.
am not doubting on your caliber, sir. I just want to ask one thing that
No, it's not doubting. I'm saying maximum parents. See, if you talk about India, there are 4 cities from where you get the maximum admissions. First, Bangalore. Second, Chennai. Third, Mumbai. And fourth is Pune. These are 4 cities from which you get the maximum admissions. Right. Now, this is just because of awareness. Even from Delhi, you don't get it. From North India, you don't get it. Punjab, you don't get more. Haryana, you don't get more. Why? Please. Why? Because the atmosphere is not like that. If I talk about Bangalore, a school started from, he has given a complete advertisement implementing national education policy from class 1 onwards. So why? Because he knows he's getting response and he will get it response. So there are parents from, these are the best 4 locations. If you want to target, just target these 4 and your work is done. Now, but still, yes, if there are some schools which are not using now, ultimately they'll use next year. Then how will they say no? So now there are 2 things. Either let us wait for 9 months or 3 months, let it be implemented, and then we'll think, then we'll learn, and then we'll start teaching. Or we get trained, become ready, and start teaching, because everything takes time. If you get only 2 or 3 schools to teach, then also you won't get time. Only 3 schools. There is
Okay.
full opportunity of this.
Okay, sir.
And now the biggest problem with Vedic maths, you know what is the problem? Lack of knowledge for everyone. This you have to agree on my point. Even the trainers, even the teachers who claim that yes, we are running Vedic maths. I am not naming. In this webinar also, there are so many who are training. But what happens? Are they clear with the concepts? Teaching is something different. Okay, I am teaching. Until unless we have a thorough knowledge, we are not able to satisfy every parent. We are not able to satisfy every school owner. Last month, October, I framed a association for trainers of Vedic mathematics. 98 trainers joined and we had a workshop, we had a class. For entire 2.5 hours, I was speaking and they were just listening with their cameras off. I don't understand. It was a business meet. If we are not able to attend, if we are not able to face, how will we face the students? What happened in that workshop? One school owner came. At the last, he said, I will implement in my school. And I said, okay, 97 people are there, 90 now. Anyone who wants, they can approach him. For 5 days, nobody approached. 6th day, he called me up and said, sir, nobody came. I said, okay, I'll teach. So it's not, see, we are lacking in confidence. We can talk to one parent, two parent, but when it comes to a bigger school, we don't even go and talk to them. Maybe we can get the opportunity, but we know our inner fear that yes, we don't have thorough knowledge. Yes, Ali, we have to agree on the facts. See, the best thing today is now so many big schools, they get washed away during this corona period. What left? The people who are having self-knowledge. So this is the best time to invest on yourself because nobody can take your knowledge. Whatever pandemic, anything comes, whatever is your knowledge, nobody can take.
Yes, true,
sir. You have to understand. This is the important point, right? Okay. Second is email list, or actually what you call it as a contact list. So if you are putting up in an apartment or a colony, you have so many houses there only. Now this is a big opportunity. If you are living in an apartment, it generally has 800 to 900 flats. So think at least 50 students would be there. And to start with 50 students is more than sufficient. The only thing is, they will also not attend immediately. They'll also try to verify your accreditations, your point. Yes, how you teach. They'll discuss with you. So that is what. Because now options are more. Yesterday I told you the same thing. Earlier, whatever teacher used to say, parents used to say yes. If you are a parent, if you are going with your child in a PTM, if a teacher says he's not studying, you start beating your child. Your teacher is saying. Now it is not happening the same. Talk to the teachers who are working in schools. Now parents are revolting. They are saying, we know how you teach. We have compared. This is a real story of a school which is nearby my home, a very big reputed school group who has 42 plus schools in India, in North India, plus they have so many engineering colleges. And what happened to them, I know. So this is a hardcore fact. Now everybody is open. Everything is available on net. So second point is email list. So you can get it. Third, now sales page, a platform to launch. Now, when we are talking about online classes, so you need some platform. where to launch it from. There are free platforms also. There are paid platforms also. So that was Facebook, Instagram. This is a place where you can go for online. You can anytime get online and you can start teaching. See, first day, definitely 2 people will follow you. Third day, it will start increasing. If you have content, if you have delivery, people are ready to pay you. But if you don't have that also, how will people pay you? Because they have then options. Yes. Fourth. Now, this is also very important, how to take the payments. Now, there are wallets available these days. Google Pay, Phone Pay. I will discuss this in next section. We have this payments again. So we have to understand the requirement. If I'm taking international students, I have to see that. Now, Nepal, I'll give you, this is a real case. This week, I received 9 calls from Nepal, but all of them had one single problem. In Nepal, the Nepal government don't allow any online transfers. Earlier also, when we had one school, preschool over there, it was very difficult. So they cannot transfer outside their country. Now, how to take that? How to transfer? They have some limitations. So generally, nobody does it. So people were ready to take the classes, but they don't know how to do it now. So we are finding a solution, but that took me one week. So clients are also there, but then also we have to find a solution for them. Fifth, your terms and conditions. Now, every person has their own terms and conditions. Maybe I'm offering some course at a lesser price or at a higher price, and your conditions are you offer a 30 days guarantee or something. So whatever you offer, every person has their own terms and conditions, but it should be very clear, because when you are talking to a customer, then your terms and conditions define your value. They add to your position, they add to your personality, and they add to the business you are owing. Right? So these 5 points are very important when you have to start with the online classes. Again, coming back to the same point, content and delivery. So content, if you talk about Vedic mathematics, I'll give you yesterday, if you downloaded some of the notes, you saw the books, how the books are from inside, how the pages, how the matter has been written. So content is available. Now coming to your delivery, so that you have to work on, you have to focus on. And for that, the first thing is required, as Bhagavad Gita's first adhyaya say, confidence. And confidence comes with knowledge. Confidence comes with thorough knowledge. No shortcut to this. Now, you said your content was professional. See, to have this professional content, it's not every time you have to pay also. So there are eye-catching, to create such eye-catching content, what you need? You need media, you need that means you need graphics, you need to add images, videos. These are very easy these days. Where do we get these designs? Images, if you talk about earlier, you have Corel, Photoshop. Now for Corel and Photoshop, we used to go to the third party and we used to get the designs, and they used to send it back in PNG or CDR format. Now you have Canva. Every mobile you can download Canva. Canva is an app, a very simple app. Are you using this, Shalini? Neha? Anyone who is using Canva? Chandrika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how easy that is. You have ready-made template. You just put on your image or your matter and the things are done. Still, we think it is difficult. So we even in Canva, you can do videos also. Similarly, InShot is there where you can make small videos, big videos. Then so many people have a hesitation of speaking. They say we cannot speak, we cannot remember the matter. So there is a teleprompter to this. Do you know what is teleprompter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Our PM uses a lot.
I don't know about that. PM uses or who uses.
No, so many people uses that. If I hesitate, I have hesitations. That's why I use the electronics device. They prompt me, and I listen to that, and I deliver my speech before the public. That is teleprompter.
That is not teleprompter. I'll tell you, teleprompter is.
What's it?
Now you are holding a mobile in your hand like this. Your eyes are focusing on the camera, and you are basically reading the script. And nobody is able. So what it looks like, you are speaking in front of the camera, and actually you are reading the script and you are able to speak. That software is called teleprompter. This was earlier used by the news people, very early in Doordarshan times. Now they have very good techniques. So somebody prompting up does not work. Now this is now this is a free software. If you cannot remember a lecture or something, you just write down it, keep the mobile in front of you, start speaking. Nobody would be able to judge whether you are reading and speaking or you have remembered. So this increases your confidence. Notice. Yes, Chandrika, have you used this, Neha?
Yes, sir. We have used and we have created few things.
Great. So that's what.
And we also took the help of our DTP who is working for our play school actually.
See, taking a help is always there. So that he can design in Corel and Photoshop, but Canva is too handy that you can, everyone can handle these days.
Yes, that's true.
Okay. So these are some of the free sites from where you can take free videos, music, fonts, ideas, color palettes. Please take a screenshot so that when you need such free tools, you can take it from this. So you can have a screenshot here.
Chandrakala, are you running any school?
She's running a preschool. She's running Vedic Mathematics, Abacus.
Okay.
Okay. Now, once you have decided, yes, I am going for online classes. Now the question comes, everybody would be asking you whether it would be a recorded session or a live session. Is it going to be one-on-one or is it going to be a group session? Yes, it is always there.
Yes.
You also, when you decided, yes, I will learn, you might have also thought this way. So the first clarity you should have is the decision on this. So what do you think? Which is best, recorded or live sessions?
Live session.
Live.
And
Live
if we
sessions
talk about
also.
particularly mathematics, so live sessions have more importance.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now, so many trainers, they have done video recordings and they have put it on Udemy. And they are offering very cheap, because I also receive calls, sir, he's offering full course at 200 rupees and you are asking 30,000. What is the difference? So the difference is when you are talking to taking a live class, you are giving every time new concept, every time you're talking to them, you're solving their problems. And when it is recorded, the best questions are solved. Like we took today example 102. Now, if it is a recorded session, I'll just go for 1, 10 and 2 and it would be done. But your question would be, now, so what happens? Knowledge always increases when you are taking live class. Same for you and same for the kids. So you should know the merits and demerits both. Yes, if it is something psychology, something subject other, where so many examples have not to be given like fact solved, then it is always there. Yes, they can have a recorded sessions also, and people take, they are more successful than that also. Recorded also people are successful, and live session abhi aa raha, so many people are there in India who are doing it, right? But both needs thorough knowledge. First thing, just think over it, thorough knowledge. You need to invest on yourself, and this knowledge will never go off. A one-to-one or group. Now, one-to-one again, if you're taking a live class and if it is one-to-one, definitely it would be a costly affair. And in group, you can offer some discounts or something like that, right? So this is what you need to decide. Why I'm giving you these points is, when you have to talk to a parent, when somebody is calling you and asking regarding your ad, you should be very clear in that. Yes, I'm offering this, add this, and this. And you know, when you are clear, you're giving a very clear picture to the customer, they'll be converted within no time. Now we talk about sales page, a platform where to launch your classes. How do we launch it? So decide, it's all, the decision is again on the things. Are we starting with paid one or are we going for a free? So if we have open workshops, webinars, meetings, classes, and we don't have any fixed timing, it's just like increasing a fan following or increasing or giving some tips every day. You might have seen people are coming online, giving some tips and then go away. And every one of us, they receive alert, yes, that person is online right now and you can just view. So what is that? That is basically you are not giving complete content, but yes, you are again and again your product. You are again and again pitching your product. So Facebook is a very good. So in a day, if you can post one live video every day, you'll see your fan following will grow. Instagram, Reels, these are the, every day you'll see there are more followers. So you cannot avoid videos, very first thing. Though I don't do videos, I have done only 2 videos till now. And WhatsApp group, yes, this could be a very useful way these days because everybody is on WhatsApp. Now everyone has 2 more phones, one is on WhatsApp and one is on a calling. So this could be this is again a good way to, you can offer some classes or some lectures or lessons in PDF format, PMG format, or your presentation file format. And that could be the way to launch your classes. Now, applications like Udemy, yes, here you can offer it free of cost also. People are offering, and there are paid services also. YouTube, that is one of the prominent way to get more and more fan following. And I think this YouTube also pays you once your channel reaches up to some level. LinkedIn is one such social media platform, but it is a very higher, you know, the people over there, either they have job opportunities or that is for the creamy layer, what you call it as CEO, directors, and that level. So you can do open webinars, workshops on these platforms. And remember, this is very cheaper in comparison to your offline mode. So if you will compare that way, it is cheaper and your reach is more. Right? Any questions you have up till now? Yes? No, Sudhanshu question? Shalini? And then
No, sir. You are
if
right.
we-
Actually, it is cheaper, but it is it must be more professional. The first condition is.
So second thing is when you are looking for a paid or restricted versions. So Zoom, like we did. So Zoom is the best way to go for a restricted because you're whomsoever you are giving a password, that person only you can allow. Google Meet is this. Then we have Thinkific, Teachable, and Zenler. What are these? See, these are known as LMS, Learning Management Solutions. What happens in this is, one thing is they give you, they are linked through Zoom only. They give you the platform to give online classes as well as that recording remains in that. So these are the kind of, so you can provide your students with that login ID. So different IDs can be provided to different students so that they can view your videos later also. Right? So, but again, it is a costly affair because if you have given a login to one student, now if you are not paying next year to Thinkific or Teachable, that login will expire. So you have to be careful that way also. And then you lose your credibility. So that is the reason I'm not, there are two reasons I'm not using Thinkific and Zenler. Zenler I do have. One thing is registration process is tedious. When you are logging in, you again have to register, and then parents used to object. We just registered, why we are doing it again? And specifically when the kids were younger, third class, fourth class, at that time parents used to object a lot. Second thing, the same thing, if in the coming year I'm not satisfied with the Zenler or Teachable or Thinkific, how will my students get the same access? So what solution, free solution is, we have done it on YouTube and we have restricted that. It is not only your workshop is freely available, none of my classes is available there. So all those videos are only available to the students, right? So you can have such, as per your requirement, you can do it, right? Payment, I told you, first is the easiest way is your wallets, GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, Amazon Pay. But what if somebody wants to pay in installments? What if somebody wants to pay from the credit card? Yes, because when you are taking classes, that means your fees is there. And one wants, no, I want to pay it from credit card. I don't want to pay it from in cash or from my account. So for that, you have InstaMojo, Razorpay. These are known as payment gateways. You can, without, even if you don't have a website, you can just create a link of this. That link, with the help of that link, you can receive the payments in your account. But yes, here they charge 3%. So 3% of the transaction fees is charged. But the benefit, now you can either you can pay or the client has to pay. So you can in the settings you can make it client has to pay or you will pay. But if you have international students, then PayPal is the option. So they can have a all the international people, they can have a PayPal account. It's very easy to open. PayPal.com is a site. You go there, register yourself, attach your debit card or credit card, and then you can receive the payments from international also. But again, this involves 3% transaction fee. Right. So you have to be available to everyone. If somebody says, I don't have, yesterday somebody said, I don't have GPay, I don't have PhonePe, I don't have Paytm, I don't have anything. Okay, then he can transfer the money in the account directly. So he transferred 199 also through by NEFT. So this is, you have to do. As per the need, you have to complete the formalities. You have to be ready for this, because ultimately payment you are taking. Okay, any questions in that first? Yes, Sudhanshu, Chandrika. Okay, so let's start with cubes then. So as we did in squares, first thing is we need to remember cubes of first 10 numbers. So cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64, cube of 7 is, sorry, cube of 5 is 125, 6 is 216, 7 343, 8 512, 729, and 1000. So please write down this. Once you have done it, let me know.
Done, sir.
Very good. Chandrika, Neha,
Yes, sir.
Samshul, Nisa, Devansh.
Done, sir.
Great. Kalpana,
Done, sir.
Cubes.
Cubes.
cubes will do. You'll see how easy and how fun. It's very interesting topic, is there? Okay, so let's take out our paper and pen and we'll start. Now, to start cubes, we'll start with finding cubes of 2-digit numbers first. So 2-digit numbers are from 10 to 99. 10 we have already done. So we'll start with 11. Yes. Now, let's make it more interesting. Let us divide all these numbers into different categories. First category, numbers starting with 1. So which are those numbers? 11, 12, 13, 14, up till 19. Any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Second,
A moment, I can.
numbers ending with 1. So that is again 11, 21, 31, 91. Correct? Is the screen visible now? Third, numbers having
తెలియదు కదా తప్ప.
Chandrika.
Sorry, sir.
No, both digits.
Sir, last one is not visible, sir. Number third.
It's not visible.
Not visible, sir.
It's visible, sir.
You are using your mobile.
No, I'm just using my laptop actually.
Okay, I'll write down again. Third, numbers having both digits same. That is 11, 22, 33, 99. Now is it clear? And four, all left out numbers. For example, we'll have 23, 24, 25, and so on up till 98. Is it clear up till here? Written, done? Okay,
Done, sir.
very good. Devansh,
Yes, sir. Done.
now this would be very easy. So first, let's take the first case number starting with 1. Let's say, for example, first 12. If I have to write a cube of 12, what do we do earlier? 12 into 12, it gives me 144. Then now I remember, so I have done in single step. Then again, so 8, 8, 2, 0, 1, 4, 4, and I get 1, 7, 2, 8. This is how we do. Now see Vedic Mathematics technique. First, now this has 4 steps. Step 1, make 4 spaces available. Any problem in this?
No.
Step 2, just give me 1 second. Now, step 2, write A here at first position, at second position, write 2. Up till here, any doubt? Any questions?
No, sir.
Step 3. Now, whatever this number is, write the square of this number. What is square of 2?
4.
4.
Square of 2 here and cube of 2 here.
8.
Up till here, any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now step 4 is very simple. Again, leave this part. Double the digits. 4, what is double?
8.
8. Double of 2. So middle terms, double it. And add it. What it gets? 1728. What was that? In a very simple manner, without making any big calculations. You just added 48 and we got the answer. Clear or not? Anyone has any doubt first? Yes, any
Sir,
questions?
please repeat the step 3, sir.
What repeat?
Step 3, sir. Step 3. 1, 2, 4, 8. ये सर इसमें जो आया है 1
तो ये नंबर है,
आपने सर
सुनो मेरी, जो ये नंबर है 2, whatever is the second number, what is the square of that? Here we will write square and here we will write cube. I'll give you one more example. Let's take 13 or let's take a bigger number. Let's say 18 is my question. First step, Sudhanshu, see, now pay attention. 1, 8 आ गया. Third step. 18, 8 का square क्या हुआ? What is the square of 8?
64.
Very
64.
Cube of 8.
216.
ठीक है? क्या हुआ? ये नहीं होता?
272.
512 होगा ना सर?
272 होगा 8 का क्यूब.
आंसर तो अभी आ जाएगा मैम.
512 होगा ना सर?
मेरे समझ से आ रही है.
हाँ तुम्हारे समझ में.
Yes, 512.
512 ना सर?
चलो यहाँ तक ठीक है? Yes, Sudhanshu. So what we have to do, we don't have to write anything here. Double this, it becomes 128. It becomes 16. 124.
16, sir.
2, 8, 2, 9, 1, 512. यहाँ तक आ गया? Yes. Yes, Sudhanshu, now up till here it is clear?
Okay, sir, clear.
Okay. So then same procedure. This balancing line is very important. 51 moves here. So 3 and what is this? 24. 24 and 24, 48. So 8. 4 goes there. So 5832. Now is it clear? Any questions on this? So how easily we can find without doing that big calculations, we just added and we did it. Is it clear? Anyone has a doubt? Yes, Shalini. Neha.
How it 583 came?
48 आ रहा है सर मेरा. 4832 आ रहा है.
कैसे? 24 ये 51 192 plus 21 51 कितना होता है? 3, 4.
2, 4, 3.
तो 3 आ
2,
गया.
4, 3. Yes.
2, 4 ऐड करोगे तो कितना होगा? 48.
48.
तो 8 आ गया. 4 आगे भी तो
अच्छा.
दोगे. 4 + 1.
हाँ. Okay. Right, sir.
Okay.
Now, yes, Sudhanshu, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has doubt? Chandrika?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. Cube.
What? Devansh?
No doubt, sir.
Kalpana?
No doubt, sir.
Jyoti? So,
No,
okay,
sir.
if you don't have any doubt, find out for 13. Now, nobody asked me one question, why I gave 4 spaces. Why not 5? Why not 6? Students will ask you.
So maybe because it's a double-digit number being cubed.
क्यूब में तो सर 4 स्पेस लिए आपने. This is cube.
So,
3 times हमको करना था, उसकी जगह 4 लिए.
क्यों? ये कोई कहानी तो नहीं बनी. कोई बात नहीं, ये भी सॉल्व करेंगे भी. तो 1, 3, 9, 27. इतना देर तो लगना नहीं चाहिए.
2197.
3, 4, 7.
2197 आ रहा है.
यस नेहा, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है?
टू 2197.
नेहा, क्लियर हो गया डाउट?
No, sir.
क्यों, अब क्या रह गया? कहाँ पे डाउट आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Good.
See, 2 digits है यहाँ, so you have to make 1, 1. That's all. You have to put in more efforts, Neha. Find it. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करो इसको.
Got it, sir.
चलो, good. Okay, so first is clear. If a number is starting with 1. एक और प्रैक्टिस करना है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए 15 को करो. इस बार मैं नहीं सॉल्व करूंगा, so you solve it yourself.
थ्री 7 5.
Three, 3, 7, 5.
3375.
Yes.
3375, sir.
So
Yes.
everybody got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second type, when the numbers are ending with 1. Let's take example of 21. 11 so you don't want. Same 4 spaces. First step. Second step, earlier we started from there.
Right.
Now we'll reverse the way. 1 at the outer and 2 in between. Up till here, we'll remember. Then the third step is same. Square of 2, I'll write here. Cube of 2, I'll write here. Got it? Clear? Or any doubt up till here?
No, sir.
Again, same double. Fourth step is always same. Nine two six one is your answer. So if you just go directly for the fourth step, how much time it is taking and what big calculations you are doing? Nothing. You just added 84 and you got the result. Otherwise, you have this 21 into 21. Everybody remembers 441. उसके बाद किसी को याद नहीं रह पाता. Because we cannot multiply 2 digits together mentally. We can never. Is it clear now? Anyone has any doubt left now? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, if you don't have any doubt, please do it. 61. Neha, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Kalpana, Chandrika,
Yes.
Shamshunisa.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can ask me now.
No, sir. No doubt.
Very good.
Very clear, sir.
Very good. Devansh, Jyoti.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. How much time? 2 cube of 6 is 216. Square is 36. 6. 1. 12. 72. 1. 18. 108.
21.
My answer is 1, 8, 9, and 10 goes there, so 226. 22691.
Yes, sir. Good.
Is it easy method or not?
Easy, sir.
See, this is easy. This is good for to teach the kids. But if you want to teach the trainers, then this is only one method. There are 5 different concepts more. So you have to decide whom you are going to teach. Only kids or senior teachers also. Now, coming to the third point. The third is when the numbers are same, when the digits are same. Let's say 22. This is the most easiest one. Devansh, Sudhanshu,
Okay, sir.
any doubt up till here, Sudhanshu?
No, sir, no any doubt.
Okay, so this is the most easiest one. Any number you take and write the cube. Both the numbers are same, so what you'll select? This is your answer. And 648 is your answer.
8, 4, ये बेटा कितना हो जाएगा 6, ये हो जाएगा 10.
कितना easy है? Anyone who finds it difficult? Yes, Sudhanshu. Your child is also learning.
Sir, he's Isan Parkhar Anand actually.
Okay.
He's also in.
He's in which class?
Very in class 1.
So I'm class 1.
Okay. Good. Yep. He's confident. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Great. So you saw the video of yesterday, tables?
Yes, sir.
Today,
Sir, ये
today's
पूरा
topic
टेबल
is
बना
not
लिया.
meant- Today's topic is not meant for him, but yesterday it was.
ये पूरा टेबल बना लिया उससे मैंने जो उसे सिखाया तो.
फिर एक बात बताओ, फर्स्ट क्लास का मैंने, that is what I am saying. Confidence कितना बढ़ता है, खुशी कितनी मिलती है, because what happens is we are lacking. If we get that peace, happiness, that confidence, what is more required? Nothing. Yes, anyone who is still pending? Devansh, Shamshu, Isa, Jyoti, Kalpana, Chandrika, Neha, Shalini. All done?
Sir, clear, sir.
Very good. If it is
Yes,
clear,
sir.
just find the cube of 77. Find cube of 77.
So is it 4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3?
4, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3. Yes.
Maybe. Oh, okay.
Don't say maybe. You should be confident. See, what is the cube of 7? 343.
Yeah.
So you just have. That means you are not done it. You're doing using calculator.
No, sir. I had to check in my graph thing, the table thing.
Sir, 441216, sir.
456533. 456533.
456533. So last
Yes.
topic left. Before that, let me introduce you what after this, because so many of you were asking about what is the syllabus, what is all we will be learning in 6 weeks. So first thing, let me clear you, it is not 6, the entire Vedic maths is not 6 weeks. It is 60 plus hours. Now, in some cases, it takes up till, I generally say 60 to 70 hours. It depends on the group. I take only 6 teachers in one group. And there are 2 kinds of batches. So one is weekdays, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, if you are taking Monday 9 to 11 p.m., let's say, so that means 2 plus 2 plus 2 hours in a week. That is 6 hours in a week. So this batch will go approximately 10 weeks, 11 weeks, 1 week extra, you can say. And if it is only Saturday, Sunday weekend batch, 9 to 11 p.m., then it takes 4 hours. So that means it takes 15 weeks to complete. But that ad you saw complete in 6 weeks, that was Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 to 8 p.m. That is evening 3 hours. So 9 hours in a week. That was that course completes within 6.5 weeks. So right now, all these batches are full. Only one batch next Saturday. We are starting 5th of Feb. Evening 6 to 8. That means only 2 hours on Saturday and 2 hours Sunday, 4 hours. So this batch will take around 15 to 16 weeks to complete. Right. Now coming to what I have to teach. So there are 6 steps written. 6 steps means everything will be taught to you in a stepwise. First, the basic introduction to Vedic mathematics, the terminology used, complement, digit root. I told you that why students are not confident. Shalini, this is very important. Now,
Yes,
you know,
sir.
small students, they just do addition, subtraction, and they get mistake. What if they know, or sometimes somebody tells them the answer at that moment, and they see, they get confident, yes, my answer is also correct. That gives a moral booster. See, in Vedic maths, we have a concept known as digit sum. It is a 3-second concept, not take more than 3 to 4 seconds, and you can verify your answers, whether your answer is correct or not. And 90% of the paper of your small kids entrance examinations, all those classes, they can be solved using digit sum only. Olympiads, NTSC, where multiple MCQs are given, that can be solved with the help of digit sum only. So our way of teaching is wrong. We have not taught the way. See, on one side, we are going for competitive examinations, and one time we are not training them to be fast. This is a difference. That is the reason, even in the entire class, if you see the results, not even one single student is selected in NTSC or Olympiads. Why? Because all the class, they know everything, but none of the students have speed. Only those who have studied outside and learned the technique of it. So that is basic thing we are lacking. Okay, so we'll be learning addition, subtraction, simultaneous addition, subtraction, everything in first step. Second step is only multiplication. One kind of multiplication, that is known as Nikhilam Sutra. That is reference. That is verbal multiplication, you can say. For example, if I say 9999, 5 times 9 into 5 times 9. So what is the answer? That would be 4 times 9, 8, and 4 times 0 and 1. How do I calculate? I just take a reference, 1 lakh, and I subtract it. So that is how you learn, you train your brain to move fast. Entire 80 pages in this book are dealt on this topic. Every category, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, and even if you multiply 3 numbers together, like 21 was your example. Now there is no way in maths where you can multiply 3 digits together. 21 into 21 into 21. First you'll do for 2 and then third. But that is possible in Vedic maths. Then is Urdhva Sutra, the ultimate method by which you can do anything, any multiplication. Then comes your special cases. We have Antara Doshke, we have 11 we did yesterday, 8th number, 9th number and 10th number. We did it. So we have general techniques also, we have specific techniques. This third book is totally multiplication, including algebraic multiplication. 50th and 16th are algebra multiplication. And algebra is much simpler in Vedic maths. Fourth step, it starts with your all from 9, last from 10. I told you the subtraction method. Then concept of doubling. Doubling means multiplication with 2. Now we will say we know multiplication with 2, but we don't know how to multiply a bigger number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 4 into 2. So that will use our brain to multiply. Then we have squares. See, fourth topic to 17th, we have total squares. So today we did only 6th method, finding a square of 2-digit numbers, 7th using Ekatikena Purvena, and then we did 11th universal method. So there are more. Cubes. Cubes also we did first method. There are 5 more. But this is all for a trainer. Yes. If you have to teach it to the student, you have to observe what the best is for that age group. But as a trainer, this is complete. Then 5th step is your division. That starts. First is dividing a number by 5, 25, 125. That is actually multiplication only. Then there are 5 different techniques of division. Nikhilam Sutra, then Parvatya Sutra is there, Anupurena Sutra is there, Vinkulam process is there. Then your Kevalam Saptam. So this book entirely deals with your division, HCF, LCM, fractions. Now fractions are for 6th class. Last deals with square roots, cube roots, divisibility. All those who are teaching right now, they might be knowing there is no concept of divisibility of 7, 13, 29 in our normal maths. There is no answer to it. But here we have. So we learn that. Then magic squares, quadratic equations, polynomial equations, every algebra is covered. So this all, if I see, we were charging like 18,000, but all those who are now in the workshop, the fees is only 12,999. And what do you get? One is you get the international certification. Once you have completed your course, you'll go for an online exam, 1-to-1. After 6 days, you'll get an e-copy of the certificate, and another 6 to 7 days, you'll get a hard copy, which will include your photograph, everything certified by IAO, that is an international body. One set of books, the 6 books, all these books, hard copy you will be getting. That is 1320. All designs are free. So you don't worry. If you are launching your classes, you need not to worry. All my designs are free for you. Just change my name to your name and the things are done. All support letters, whatever letters we have written to the government or we're writing to the schools, same templates you can use. And 1 year support. This is there, right? So we can discuss this later on. So whosoever would be interested, will have a word. Right now, let's complete the last topic. And that was for the left 4 numbers. Now, here we have to remember the formula a cube, a square b, b square a. So this was the 4 points. And then remember, we were doubling the middle terms. So what we were doing basically 2 square b, 2b square a. And if you see, what is this? A cube, 3a square b, C B square A. This is the formula, A plus B whole cube. But the way to use. So let's say, if for example, I have to see 23. Now, your A is 2, your B is 3. So what is A cube?
8.
Yes, everyone got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is, I will not, first is A square B. So A square means 4 into 3, 12. What is B square A?
B square.
B square
9.
18.
9 into
18.
2, 18.
18.
And now what is B cube? 27.
27.
So again, double it, 24, 36, and add it, and that gives you answer. Check. What is the answer? You get 8, 36, you get 54, you get 27. If you
27.
further do it, you get 7, 6, 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 7.
7, 6.
Any doubts now? Any questions you have? Now this concept, this particular topic, the last one. Have you written? Anyone left? Shalini, Neha, Devansh?
Written, sir.
See, this could have been
still
used.
got-
This can be used by earlier method, earlier also. See, if it is 12. Now, one cube is 1. A square, 1 square into 2 is 2. 2 square into A is 4. And 2 cube is 8. But my point is, why to remember the formula if we can do it in a funny way? 1, 2, 4, 8. Without remembering the formula also we were able to. But the fourth way is you can solve any question from 11 to 99. And if it is further 102 and other, then you have to again follow A and B. Right? Any questions now? Any doubts you have? That concludes all the topics. Yes. Sudhanshu, Shalini, Neha, Shamsuddin, any questions you have now?
No, sir.
A square B. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Means no doubt.
Okay. Good. Yes, Devansh.
So I don't have any doubts. in that.
So all cubes can be done now.
Yes, sir.
Shamshnisa,
Yeah, yes, sir.
any doubt is there? Or what?
No, it's clear.
Okay. Chandrika, Kalpana, Neha.
Sir, no doubt, sir.
Good. Neha,
No doubt, sir.
very good. Kalpana,
No, sir, no doubt, sir.
okay then. So have a great evening. I'll just share you the video and the homework. See you. Practice.
See
You
you.
Okay, sir.
Shalom. All the best.
Thank you.
And bye-bye.
सर फॉर सर एडमिशन के लिए अगर शेड्यूल लेना हो तो फिर किन से बात करना होगा? जो मोबाइल फोन आपने जनरेट किया उसकिन से बात
मेरे को कॉल कर देना, स्टाफ को कर देना, मेरे को कर दोगे तो भी हो जाएगा, करवा देना। तो जिस नंबर से मेरा नंबर, माय नंबर इज 701-576-1074। We'll talk. We'll
सर
talk.
आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म में जो है ना इमेज नहीं,
सिर्फ आप ही के मैम इमेज, आप जब हम मोबाइल करते हैं कई बार वहां प्रॉब्लम है. I have received 12,000 forms.
हाँ पर मेरा नहीं हो रहा.
रीस्टार्ट कर दो सिस्टम को. मैंने तो आपको बोला था कुछ भी डाल दो. Same. See, how do we get the name? Everybody has. You can ask everyone. They have done it.
हाँ मैंने पूछा, सबका हो गया है लेकिन मेरा ही नहीं हो रहा है.
मुझे कोई आपसे मैम वो तो नहीं है, पर नाम मुझे स्पेलिंग भेज देना. I'll get the certificate. अगर फॉर्म नहीं आया तो सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं हो पाएगा, तो मैं रात तक सर्टिफिकेट भी आएंगे. राइट? Any other doubts? Any other questions you have?
No.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.